Why is the U.S. carrying out more strikes on Iran in 2026? The answer reveals shifting strategies and rising tensions that could change the balance of power in the Middle East. In 2026, the U.S. increased strikes on Iran as part of a broader response to Iran's expanding influence across the Middle East. Iran's support for proxy groups and missile programs alarm U.S. policymakers, who see this as a direct threat to their allies and interests. These strikes aim to curb Iran's ability to project power and disrupt what the U.S. calls destabilizing activities. This escalation is tied to shifting alliances and a more aggressive American stance under new leadership, reflecting a complex geopolitical chess match. Technological advancements play a key role in the 2026 strikes. The U.S. now employs enhanced drones and precision missiles that allow strikes with minimal collateral damage while avoiding direct confrontation. This reduces the risk to American personnel and increases the effectiveness of operations targeting key military and nuclear sites. The use of these technologies signals a shift towards more covert, surgical military actions rather than large-scale conflict. One of the main drivers behind the U.S. strikes is Iran's nuclear program. Despite international sanctions and agreements, Iran continues to advance its nuclear capabilities. The U.S. targets critical infrastructure to delay weapon development and pressure Iran into compliance. These actions aim to prevent nuclear proliferation in a volatile region, but they also risk escalating the conflict further. These strikes have a complex impact on regional security. On one hand, they increase instability by provoking retaliatory attacks and raising tensions with Iranian allies. On the other, they reassure U.S. partners in the region, like Israel and Gulf states, that Washington remains committed to their defense. This delicate balance shapes the broader Middle East security landscape and could influence future diplomatic efforts. The increase in U.S. strikes on Iran in 2026 reveals a high-stakes game of power, technology, and diplomacy. Understanding these dynamics helps you grasp why global stability hinges on these actions. For more surprising insights into today's most pressing questions, hit subscribe and stay curious with daily Q&A.